Welcome, Stock Show Nation. Paul Andrews, President and CEO of the National Western Stock Show. I'm here with Buck Hutchison, one of my board members. He has generously donated so that this building can become a reality for the National Western Stock Show. We are standing in the Stockyards Event Center, which forever will be known as the Buck and Janie Hutchison Stockyards Event Center. Buck, first of all, thank you so much for this great donation. The exhibitors are going to use this building like never before, and we really appreciate it. Tell us, what was your passion for wanting to do something like this, Buck?
The stock show has always been part of our company's organization, and a great honor to be able to put buildings up like this and make sure that this show becomes a greater place and a future of what is the National Western is going to become. And I'm very proud of the fact that our family has always had a great position in the National Western as far as attention, and we have been an exhibitor since we came to Colorado in 1964, and I'm very proud to be here today.
Yeah, amazing contribution from the Hutchison family. So as we stand here today, Stock Show followers, we are standing in what will be the new show arena here at the National Western Stock Show. So for you exhibitors out there that remember the Yards Show Arena, this arena replaces that. We also called that arena the Pepsi Arena for a lot of years. This arena is twice the size of that arena that was in the Yards just the last year. So this is an amazing building that will allow us tremendous flexibility for the National Western Stock Show. And we've also combined this building with what used to be the Livestock Center, which was the auction arena. So as we walk through this building, we will be into the auction arena also, which again will allow us great flexibility. Other important parts about this building as we're here, you're going to have a beer garden sitting right outside this building that is going to be second to none. There'll also be bars inside this building, hospitality areas inside this building, as well as the new International Center that will welcome all of our international guests. So this building is a jewel on site. Let's take a look around and take a look at the auction arena next. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the auction arena that's inside the Buck and Janie Hutchison Stockyards Event Center. This arena will replace our Livestock Center that many of our exhibitors have exhibited in over the past decades. And this building has way more seating than the previous building. As you can see behind me, the risers are starting to come in, and this is really starting to take shape. A little more than 600 seats in here, and this will help us do all the auctions that we do out here in the yards day in and day out. So Buck, as you think about, you've been in a lot of auction arenas in your life here because you obviously have seen the junior livestock auction for decades and decades, and were instrumental in growing that to the great thing it is today. When you look at this auction arena, does it give you some good feeling about what's going on here?
Yeah, I think we've gone to another level of having a real show.
Okay, yeah, I feel the same. I mean, as you look at this arena here, you can see that the auction block itself will be about where I'm standing. And, you know, the animals we can move in and out of here are going to come in and out with so much more ease. The bison pens are just outside here to my left, and they'll be able to move animals in and out of here with much more ease also. So everything is starting to come together here, and this building will be done prior to the 2022 National Western Stock Show. So we will be using this 1 year from now at the January National Western Stock Show. Pretty excited about launching this building, Buck?
Yes, I think we've all looked at it on pictures and positions of where it's going to be, and it's going to be a super place.
Yeah, and this building from head to toe is 100 yards long. So it's a football field, ladies and gentlemen, and all of you are going to experience this firsthand at the next National Western Stock Show. The 115th, it'll be a commemorative ticket because this building and the new Seal and Ron Williams yards will be open and ready for business at the 2022 Stock Show.